emotion si da ha kappe ha laure lan si bo khoi thon bro
core issue si kari no haibasi am clear oina thami ai mangar hanjan na tare. What is the core issue of the honorable leader of the house, honorable chief minister of Manipur kari no haibasi honorable leader of the house na core issue ji sumaina thambi Manipur gi issue si Myanmar dagi changakpa illegal immigrants singna thokhan bani adudagi changaga forest area singda leikhraga poppy plantation tawrei forest ko thorei aduna madugi potu thingnana bo hotna badagi madu gi thabak sidagi irang si tholkhibini haibasi. This was the core issues of the honorable chief minister.
1.5 years has happened since the violence erupted in the state. What are the core issues today?
You see, this present crisis is, I am very sad. I am very sad in a sense, it should not be like this. Because the core issues was, identification of illegal migrants from the Myanmar and other countries. Particularly, in Manipur, once in 1962, subject to correction, when the Burma, when the present Myanmar was called Burma, there was an uprising, military coup. During that time, due to the unrest in the Burma, some people entered in the state and settled, as per record. And after that, in the 1988, on the Aung San Suu Kyi, 88 or subject to correction, Aung San Suu Kyi started democratic movement, and there was a fight. Military coup was there. Second time military coup. And this is the third time.
Sumnagi Maitai Silinau Singna scheduled tribe list Salalu in the Taubrak Lapa demandu High Court order mana Madu Government Hata Mariki Manunga reply Pirakada Benidi Comment Pirakune Haiba Adukaki case to the Guinea Masi Hokri Poche.
Nasi Manipur thoi issues hai Maitai ko ki ginate mapandagi chalakwa illegal immigrants aduga drug karbar tawba reserve forest mayam takhoga khunda halakpodagi thokpani ase honorable union home minister Amit Shah jina parliament da high
Lanji kanana kamai tor khino mayam loi khangpidam matro high court tagi order makhak scheduled tribe Maitai si scheduled tribe chanba chandabagi matang da order mak tholakpodagi Madugi rally do adugi against Sapada rally ni harga rally do Kudong Chavalorga Micham Praja Kunda Landara Kivani Habisi. Mayam come here.
Yes, that the core issues which we demand, we started, like identifying of the illegal migrants based on the year 1961. Collection of biometric and a deportation, then fencing of these 398 kilometer long open borders, and cancellation of free movement regime, which were allowed anybody to enter and settle. So that there's kind of some core issues and NRC. If it has been decided to implement by the central government, I will be very happy, and whatever the central government action, I'll happily accept it.
Right.
The core issues. Hujik thoiba thauto wathok adagi violence sigi mari lene core issue. Core issue aina core issue 1, core issue 2 aina thamjage. Ahanba core issue da Honorable Leader of the House na core issue haibasi karino haina haibasi Honorable Leader of the House na Honorable Speaker Sir Honorable Leader of the House na thammi News 9 dasu what is core issue thami. Yes, I should to take khagi. Core issue si honorable leader of the house na thami si Manipur the solution nama pork na haibasi. Core issue si karino haibasi am clear in a thami. I mangar hanjan na tare. What is the core issue of the honorable leader of the house? Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur karino haibasi. Honorable leader of the house na core issue si sumaina thambi. Manipur ki issue si Myanmar deki changakpa illegal immigrants singna thokhan bani. Adudagi changaga forest area singda leikhraga poppy plantation tawrei forest kok thorei. Aduna madugi potu thingnanaba hotnabadagi madugi thabaksidagi irangsi tholkhibini haibasi. This was the core issues of the Honorable Chief Minister in the exclusive interview of the News 9. Aduna masigi core issue si karigumba kanda akhoigi handakta nauna kakhiba Honorable MP singna Parliament da wangang bada core issue thamde haidana BJP gi spokesperson singna core issue thamde hai. And core issue si masigi matang da Honorable Leader of the House na haibine Congress the core issue puthokti haibine adagi core issue di Honorable Leader of the House thangi bagi matang sida core issue is sir illegal immigration si kanana tawgadabno. I am coming to the core issues. Illegal immigration si immigrants here masi kanana thingadabno aduga Karamba Pampaina Tingadabno, Hibasi, I suggestion in a Taujarabada, sir. Sir Masidi, Central Government ga, Maramdi, foreigners may am Chang a Hirabanina. Adu Masidi, State Government gi Magi active intervention and Central Government gi Matingna Masi illegal immigration Sangapasidi Tingadabni Haina ID Loze. Because we have our law, we have our constitutions, that is there. In the constitution, that is Foreigner Act. Illegal immigrant foreigners changak pahaibini adurugadi karigidamakta sarkar asina madugi matam chana mafam chana madu dictate taunanaba deport taunanaba with the help of our act akhoi law of the land madugi karigi haptagi thagi sahigi karigi illegal immigrant changi haibasi foreigner act palaga karigi matam chana tawbidabano haibasi di that is the accountability of the government and the responsibility maram madunda sir madugi foreigner act sigi makhada loinamak akhoi hana act ama semaga law lejaraba since independence foreigner act is there adugi pochi karigidamakta Dr. S. Jaisankar, Honorable Minister of External Affairs, and also Matamdugi External Affairs State Tegisu Minister Oiramba Sahimanga External Affairs Minister Leramaga core issue haina leader of the house na puthoi bise masi akhoigi infiltration of the illegal immigrants na hairaga akhoigi own external minister external affairs minister leiba akhoi state tegi then aduga double engine BJP gi lenga asigi center da external affairs da matam piraga karigi matam gi hairiba mayam singsi thingna bi hogdabno thingbi hogdabno adigi again sir karigi lenga asigi masigi core issue haina puthoiba wafam kharsida poppy plantation sibo prajana thingugodabra madugi ek lei madu thingnanabagi India ki ain lejaba ikhoigi law of the land lejaba sibo karigi miyam da haigedabno natragana kanada haigedabno natraga Congress party da haigedabno BJP lengak sigi ikhoigi India ki law lejaba si madu effectively tawba ngamdraga karigi damakta core issue si masida khoirang phok sayung na dana leibiri bano haibasi ai thamjiningi adu masi this was the presentation, this was the statement regarding the core issues of the Honorable Chief Minister. Adagi anisuba core issue, sir. I couldn't call it. Me and Maggie Velu Masak Pazava Hibasi, mean the Tarkadavan. I isai Tundra Isakam Pazay, Sarukan Mali, Hema Malini Mali, Isan Tagalaga, Isak Pazava Yarway. Aduna, sir. Core issue number 2 is the Tamzanini. I queen Ujabadadi. Lengak Asina, Paikaliba, Lengak administration C. Masida, I quite suggestion when a core issue in a Tamzanini. Nasi, I quite Manipur the Toy Irang City. Akanga Hikana Kali, Akanga Hikana, Tami, Kabar Kagaski at the Tami. Manipur the Toy Irang City. BGP gi Lengak Manung the Gi Tolapa Irang ni Haiden High. Karam na High. Karigi BJP gi Lengak the Gi Toli Bano, Haina High the hung of the Agi Kori Susi the D. Lady ba Minister Singh, Lady ba MLA Singh, Pukchenam Tamanade. Nasimak Equinusina MLA Humpumayam. Natragana ruling Kaktagi, opposition Manga Kakta Tarang Tarangna, Adi Tanik Tanik Nelejabani, a quick Kaktan Hundok Piramasu, BGP MLA, Yankai Manga Sina.
Honorable member, what will be the Kitang point in the lunch?
This is the core issue. This is my core issue. The core issues of the chief ministers, I understand. I'm not repeating the points. City bias like we can know a
bias can they point the lap you.
Point in a luxury, see how the opposition, motions, support our Haram Sako Ibrava. A quite high Japanese.
Having new point to the
luxury never. A Lengak Sigi, BJP MLA Singna. I could know Uzariba Kori Shudi, Lengak Stegi Tolopani, Chief Minister Oibeki Lamjan, Adegi Tazen Adabeki Lamjan, Adegi BJP ki lengang manung dagi separate administration PU haiba khuyek piraga thadorakpa masi dagi tholakpa issue oigani masi han thembirabadi masi han yanarabadi why not Prime Minister Manipur da kawbang ngamgani khali aduga ikhoi gi solution ji resolve tawbang ngamgani khali karigumba yankhai manga sina punna yanari hair kanda ikhoi manga su tungda dum indajaradabani sir I know the suggestion I came to Kanamti against Nati. My arms am wab the Gito Germany. Aduna Yankai Mangas in the Yanarana, the leader Paminagera, Manipur, the Paminera, even in Manipur, City Convention Center, the Pambakanda, Honorable Home Minister Lapiu, Prime Minister Lapiu, Equi Solutions, Equi Emily Mayam, the Yanarni, Hibamatamda Masi, Honorable Prime Minister Kang Lakunga Mui Kaleo. Aduna Kori Sudi, Irang Sigi Kori Sudi, BJP government the Tolpani, and the Kori Suji, Masilo Shanji, Suji, violent solutions, Haribdi, Emily and Kimangas, Tanglo Aduga, Paminabu, Honorable Prime Minister, Unabagi, Province of Pirakani, Home Minister, anytime Unabagi, Province of Pirakani. Aduna, Masigi, Horok Pamse, Honorable Leader of the House, the Piriba, Leader of the House, the Piriba Kori Su, Adusu Adum Yai. I quit negate of the day. I quit you call issues you love you. I quit you housey. Karigumba Imung Amada. Imung Amada, Masaga, Mamaga, Mapaga, Nupiga, Kanabamatam, the Imung Sibukan Bakanda Santi Pangadeki. When the normalcy, when the peace is maintained in a small family, then peace will come automatically. Same thing, government Siki Manunda. Amaga, Unaba, Hui, Hodonga Yanadabona, Unadaraga, Kanaraga, Ada Dili, the Sahi, and he came to Labor, sit in the Kampu, Labor, Aduga, Masagi, Labaka Sikra minus Santi Purkani. Maramasina, code issue D, Masishu, Amani. I code issue 1, whenever leader of the house, code issue 1, Adusu, Masida, Masi, happy you. Adagi, I call you code issue, Masi, happy you. Adurbadi, Labaki, the Santi, where Kani, have a simadi. I see it, but Tazabase, I call honorable. Speaker through the Tamjari Aduna, I quite Masigi, happy you, roadmap PBU, happy you, Governor Gi address Sida, Masi Emento Viraga, adagi core issue mayam singsi honorable leader of the house na haibu happy popi khara phagale khara yanthale haibu this is not a core issue because as you mentioned in the exclusive interview of 9 News, then core issue is not mentioning here. But when you speak about something about the core issue to other platform, then you are saying core issues. Poppy plantation na thonba, adagi illegal, adu si mayam singse, masi foreigner eki matungi na minister consent to biraga tim chatpiraga akhoi core issue si pakhat piu, aduga enforce to view, police enforce to view. Dictate to view, deport to view, Karigi, foreigner ek like Jabasibu, I couldn't Karigi Atopa ek Mamamu imply Tarugudi, Karigi Amuk, Akuna Tirukigani. We have our own laws. Adugi Matugina, high core issue, honorable leader of the house, Hybrid you do, packet view, Aduga Madu enforced to view. So that the Akoi PC, Sweatin Lakani Habigi, as yet but Hazard with Tamze, Baduna, and Hazariba core issue, Aiki core issue, honorable leader of the house ki core issue policy mo in happy masi emento view. Thank you Mr. Speaker sir for giving me some time.
Emotion si dai ha kappe ha laure lan si bo khoi de thon bro lan si kana na kamai tor khino si mayam loi khang pi de matro high court gi order ma khak schedule tribe maitei si schedule tribe chanba chandaba gi matang da order ma tholok pa gi Madugi rally do adugi against Sapada rally ni Harga, rally do Kudong Chabalorga, Micham Praja Kundra, Landara, Kivani Habasi, Mayam Kamkira.
And let me begin this interview on the core issues which are plaguing Manipur. And let me remind you of a post which you made on January 22nd, 2013, 1 o'clock in noon. And you said, can we accept partition of a tiny state? Further, for me, no, no, at any cost. 2013. What does it mean to you today?
Kartik, yeah, it was 11 years before. I smell some things. Because the present crisis is related very much. During 2008, there was a process of suspension of operation between the state government and military coup. During that time, due to the unrest in the Brahma, you see, this present crisis is, I am very sad in a sense, it should not be like this. Because the core issues was, identification of illegal migrants from the Myanmar and other countries. Particularly, in Manipur, once in 1962, subject to correction, when the Burma, when the present Myanmar was called Burma, there was an uprising, military coup. During that time, due to the unrest in the Burma, some people entered in the state and settled, as per record. And after that, in the 1988, and Aung San Suu Kyi, 88 or subject to correction, Aung San Suu Kyi started democratic movement, and there was a fight. Military coup was there, second time military coup. Correct. And this is the third time. So during that time also, many influx were taken place, and we did not care because all the 400 long border with Myanmar was unguarded. No fencing, nothing. And there was a free movement regime which people can enter 40 kilometers inside India without having any documents, and 40 kilometers inside the Myanmar without any document. So that kind of things taken place. The core issues is because of that. Because of that, the increasing number of illegal migrants in particular districts and particular community is, very alarming to the indigenous population of the state. That is the reason why the present crisis is taken place.